question for you. Have you ever had the situation, you're out working on your laptop and find your battery is nearly out of power? It's not too surprising. And without a power adapter on hand, your only option is to ask others and hope that their power adapter matches yours. As technology advances, more and more products are switching over to Type-C charging as an industry standard. But unfortunately, other older charging options are rendered obsolete, having little utility or purpose but to be tossed out or boxed up. Introducing AnyWatt, a smart adapter that gives you the power to easily connect to most traditional chargers, no matter the voltage settings, and conveniently and safely charge your laptop or mobile device. With AnyWatt, you'll have more options and more flexibility when it comes to charging. You can borrow nearly any charger from your colleagues, friends, or strangers at any time and any place, and ensure your laptop stays charged. That's one less thing you'll ever have to think about. Currently, AnyWatt supports 3 main power interfaces: ThinkPad, DC, and MagSafe chargers. The product uses Smart Charge technology, supporting a USB PD charging standard, which means it can automatically adapt the output based on what it connects with: 20 volt, 15 volt, 12 volt, 5 volt, or 3A. The AnyWatt is a modern design adapter that's super small and ultra portable, easily stored with your computer gear or attached to one of your old chargers, making sure that your power supply is stabilized and always ready to go. Our team's intention for the AnyWatt design really sprung from a desire to reduce e-waste and find a more greener solution that would leave a lighter footprint. The adapter was our answer. Protect the environment, stay green, and save every watt. Support our campaign and get a limited time offer on the AnyWatt adapter. Take a moment, select one of our pledges, support environmental friendly tech, support AnyWatt. Thanks.
Poor sleep and daytime drowsiness are our enemies and epidemics of the 21st century. They are often the reasons for our failures, depression, and health issues. We all could use more restful sleep, extra energy, and better concentration to reduce stress, advance performance, look younger, and fully enjoy life. SleepMan was developed by our scientists and engineers to solve these problems. It includes the features needed by most of us and was created to boost our success and improve our lives. The new SleepMan is fully upgraded based on suggestions from the Kickstarter community received during our first campaign. The unique e-magnetic enhancer safely stimulates your nervous system with scientifically patterned impulses. You likely wouldn't feel them, but you'll definitely wake up fully refreshed and stay more productive and energetic all day long. SleepMan effectively improves your sleep. Throughout the night, it monitors your sleep stages, enhances sleep efficiency, and wakes you up at the right moment within your preset time range, so you feel better rested and energized. During the daytime, it monitors your biosignals and notifies you of tiredness and concentration loss. SleepMan's bioactive power nap and relaxation mode is one of the most effective ways to eliminate drowsiness. Every one of us is unique. That's why SleepMan utilizes self-learning technology and adapts to its users' biorhythms for the best results. The SleepMan app tracks your improvements and shows how to adjust your daily routine to feel even better. We've designed the new SleepMan to be modern-looking and comfortable to wear around the clock. It fits any hand and easily matches any outfit for any occasion. One day, SleepMan might even save you or your loved ones. Most accidents are caused by loss of concentration. SleepMan's Focus Loss Alert gives you a timely warning and never lets you lose control, whether you are spacing out on a date, driving, working, socializing, or playing on your computer. Today, we need your help to start production, and together we can help the world to sleep and live better. Thank you for your support from our team and everybody who needs SleepMan.